Embrace your hair, they say. But what do you do with it when it looks like this and it's like, ah? I don't want to reach for the hair straighteners. What styles can we do in literally under 1 minute? Let's get on with it. So at least if your hair is combed through, we're starting from a good point. Hair is clean and hair is dry. So let's see what I can do. 2 fingers there, grab it up like that. Put a hairband in really high. Not quite a pineapple, but just the back bit here. Okay, so you could potentially do this and just go. If you think it's a bit bushy still, could potentially, another hairband, use the bottom bit, tie that in as well. Okay, so it's not a ponytail. It's got a little bit of a structure to it, and I'll show you the back. So it looks like it's a deliberate hairstyle. But let's say you don't want to faff about and you want it to be an easier hairstyle. You could just put your hair right to the top. Right to the top. Give it a quick comb at the back. Into your hand. Pull it forward. These are for the days when it's really, really, really hot and you don't want any hair on your neck. So of course you could just do it like high up pony and have it out like that. You could put this into a plait, or you could just go round and round and round and round and round, and you've got a little top knot situation as well. There. Sometimes the more you play with your hair, the better it gets. So you saw my hair at the very beginning. Now look at it. I actually quite like this. So I would go out in its natural form like this, because I think it's better, because I've manipulated it a bit. You can literally just get a little hairband like this. I'll show you how going from a plain like grey top, grey hair look. So make sure your earrings are forward so your hair is not showing. Okay, the next look I'm going to do a French plait, but I'm going to do it very rough on purpose because I don't know how to do it tidily. So I'm going to turn around and show you what I do from the back. Normal 3 plait up here to start. A normal plait at the bottom. Obviously it's thinner down here, so you get a smaller hairband. Now you can just do a normal hairband hold just here. I tend to get this. Let me show you from the back. I tuck it up inside like that. Get a couple of grippy clips and a clip here, grip there to keep it up there. So this hairstyle I like. It kind of gives like you've made a little bit of an effort, but you saw there was no real technique. It was quite rough and it's quite fast. And I don't want to be perfect. I want to just be comfortable and look like I've made a tiny bit of an effort. And that is what I've done here. Yes, of course, you could put hairspray on. I mean, my hair up here is giving a little bit of height, so I'll quite like that. And that silver bit is really silver today. That's beautiful. I like that. Okay, so if you like the look of having like your hair looking fuller on one side and you don't want to do the whole ponytail like that sort of thing, sweep your hair over to one side, get the top bit like here. Everything is rough and estimate. Get a little clip like this. Okay, finger brush through the rest of it. You've got your hair off your neck. And see if the earrings can enhance your look. And if you're menopausal, getting your hair off your neck, that's a win-win. And you haven't put your hair straight up into a tight ponytail. Pulls your hair back and then you get those bald patches just there. So I'm just trying to show you different ways to maybe manage this. Okay, so let's go for a creative look now. So let's do one ponytail here. So I've gathered at the sides. I'm going under the ponytail. Okay. It could be just like a two and done job. See if I can continue down doing the same method. So now I'm here, got under the second one. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so at any point you can stop or you just keep on going. I'm just going to end with one more. Like so. Now, I probably now, in hindsight, would put this one as a smaller one rather than a frilly one. But that's just me personally. But I'll show you the back now. How does that look? But guys, that's all I've got for you for today. Don't want to give you too much all in one video. As you saw, there was no heat tools. Everything is kind of easy access. You've probably already got these things in your hair drawer sort of thing with the hairbands and some clips and things like that. Yes, of course, you can use hairspray, but please do like and subscribe. So I'd love to have you here again. Please let me know what hairstyle you preferred and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.